In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Eventbrite embed code. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Eventbrite's checkout process into your own website. This way, visitors can register for your event without having to leave your site. This is known as embedded checkout, and it's a fantastic way to keep your user experience smooth and uninterrupted. Let's begin by signing into Eventbrite. Head over to the Eventbrite website and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, that's great. Otherwise, simply enter your credentials and hit that sign in button. This step is crucial because your account is the gateway to accessing all your event details and customization options. Now that you're logged into Eventbrite, let's navigate to your events. Once you're in, click on the Events tab. This will bring up a list of all the events you've created. Go ahead and select the specific event you want to embed. Choosing the right event is key, as this is what you'll be showcasing on your website. With your event open, it's time to dive into the embedded checkout settings. In the event dashboard, you'll see a menu on the side. Select Marketing from this menu. It's here that you'll find all the tools you need to promote your event. Now click on Embedded Checkout. This option allows you to set up how you want your audience to experience the registration process on your website. Next up, you need to choose a display option for your checkout. Eventbrite offers two main choices, Button and Embedded. If you select Button, your visitors will see a Buy Tickets button. When they click it, a checkout pop-up will appear. This keeps your webpage clean and minimal. On the other hand, if you choose Embedded, the available tickets will be displayed directly on your webpage. This option is great for providing immediate visibility of ticket options. Think about your website's design and user flow when making this decision. The right choice can enhance the user experience significantly. Once you've decided on the display option, it's time to get the embed code. Click on the Copy Code button. This will copy the code to your clipboard, ready for you to use. Now, you need to paste this code into your website's HTML. Choose the section where you want the ticket checkout to appear and paste the code there. This action is what integrates the Eventbrite checkout process with your website. You should see your changes take effect immediately. If you don't see the embedded checkout option, here's an important note. Make sure your event is published and not still in draft mode. Some features, like the embedded checkout, won't be available until your event is live. This is an important step because publishing your event unlocks all the functionalities you need. Finally, a quick tip to ensure everything works smoothly. Your website should use HTTPS to ensure that Eventbrite's embedded checkout functions correctly. This is important because HTTPS provides a secure connection for your users, which is crucial for handling sensitive information like credit card details. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to get an Eventbrite embed code and integrate it into your website. This setup not only makes registration easier for your attendees, but also keeps them engaged with your content. Thanks for watching and happy event organizing.